So I'm gonna show you my vending machine. So I'm gonna put my bowl here into the vending machine, and then I will gonna pull this here. Ooh, I have a lot of candy. I have a lot of candy. Look at the inside in the vending machine. I have some vending machine. This one you can pull it. You're gonna pull it. Look at here. You go down here. Look, it's really wet. Okay, time to get some. This is a gumbo machine. Sometimes my vending machine is stuck. So I'm gonna bawas it. Okay, time to put it. I'm gonna eat some gumbo. Yay! Whoa, this is really good. I'm gonna eat that. Just kidding. Ooh. I'm gonna remove first this. Look at the inside. This is the inside here. This is the inside. I'm gonna put it back, and then it has a a cap for not see that. Okay, time to put it. Okay. I'm gonna get some gumbo. That's it today. I hope you get subscribed and click the bell and then subscribe. Bye. See you in part 2. I just showing my own vending machine. Bye. See you in part 2.